You want to restart your career, but one question is haunting you in every interview. That is, what is your current work experience? I know it sounds familiar because, in fact, I can say there are a lot of talented professionals in this world who not able to end up into the right job after the break just because of this question. What if I told you you don't need a recent job to prove your worth? In fact, in this video, I'll explain you how to create a proof of work that will speak louder than your recent designation. So guys, if you are stuck into the any kind of a question in your job search, don't forget to write that question into the comment section below the video, or you can email me. My email ID is tejaswita@procareerignition.com. I may create a video on that topic and deliver to you. Hi, I am Tejaswita and I'm career comeback coach and the founder of the Pro Career Ignition Club. Having 18 years of experience into recruitment, I have placed more than 1,000 professionals in the market and possibly more than that. There's no count. But same time, I come across many women who wanted to restart their career and they were approaching me like to need the guidance. Now, I realized one thing, it's not about the gap what they have taken due to maternity or they have taken due to health issue. It is about like how they present their current skill and gain skill in front of the employer. So in this video, what I'm going to walk you through like some case-based strategy which will involve emotional strength and same time some practical steps to create a proof of work without having a recent work experience. So let's deep dive. Now let's understand what will be the agenda in this video. First agenda is we will understand what is a proof of work. Then second, we will discuss about the case study. Can someone present their proof of work without the work and how to present? Third is like an emotional shift need to be stop feeling less than. Like many times women especially, like they feel like they are not worth it to get that particular opportunity though they have a skill set and they are suitable for that particular role. The next is the 5 practical ways to create a proof that from the scratch. If you don't have a work experience, absolutely fine, but from the scratch, how you can create. And then I'm going to give you the one bonus simple step formula how you can build your profile. So let's start. So the first point is like what is a proof of work? Now I'm very sure like you must be agree with this point. Like nowadays employer they wanted to see what work you are doing. They are not worried about like what title you have. They are more about the practical thing. So it's the same thing. Proof of work is demonstrating your work, not showing your title, but showing by presentation, by showing the result, by showing the strategy, or by showing the certain system which will create an impact for that role. So title is not important, result is more important. So they are more worried about employer, more interested what impact, what result you are going to bring it. So that is a basically proof of work what employer or new company is expecting. So let me share you one case study that 2-3 years back I came across. One of the ladies she came back like after 5 years, after 5 years of break, she decided to restart her career, but her industry was different. So what she did actually when she came, when I asked her, "Do you have any proof of work?" So she started presenting like a what work she did. So she worked with for one of her friend जहाँ पे उसने डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का काम किया था. So it was a free of cost. She was learning from the YouTube and she was helping her friend who started a new company. So हर चीज का उसने proof रखा. Whether it is a graphic designing, whether it is analytics, whether it is the testimonial from the client which she received, then whatever courses she has learned, everything she keep the data and she presented me and she said like this is what the proof of work I have. I may not have the proper experience or proper designation from the company, but I work as a freelancer, and that was absolutely free of cost. I work for my friend. So, what she did, she kept all the data neatly, properly, whatever work she did for her friend. And what happened due to that, I could able to present that work to one of my clients, and my client also gave her opportunity to work as a part-timer initially, just to give a try and test, but at least I could help her to find the part-time job, and the salary was small, but at least she knows now this is her starting. Now she knows like she will start earning small amount, she can invest into the learning, and then gradually she will end up into the good job also. That's called the proof of work. So if you wanted to restart your career into the different industry, or you wanted to restart in the similar industry, start collecting some proof of work. If maybe you can involve into the small assignment, maybe small work you can do which will be unpaid, but at least keep the proof, take the screenshot, keep it with you. So anytime any employer is checking, do you have any recent work you have done, you can present that work as a showcasing, yes, I'm still in touch with these skill sets and I'm currently working also. Now, third agenda, it's very important before we go for the practical. That is the emotional shift when you decide to restart the career. Yes, in every work, okay, if you're starting your work, restarting your work, you emotionally has you have to be stable. Now, in that, people think like a proof of work is like a what? Proof of work is like a what you have skill. It is not about the title. And when you start believing on your skills which you have, you're shifting your mind automatically. Now there are certain ways how you can motivate yourself. The first important thing, affirmations. So affirmations are something, whatever you have a negative thoughts in your mind, you have to convert into the positive thought, and you have to keep repeating that. For example, if you're thinking your skill sets are not valuable, you say like my skill sets are valuable for this particular role and for this particular company. If you're targeting any particular company, you can target like you can say it in that affirmation, so you can easily you can manifest and you can get into that particular company. But if you're not believing, so keep reminding yourself like your skill sets are valuable. Okay, similar way you can convert all your negative thoughts into the positive thoughts. Second is a mirror talk. I have explained in my previous video also, like a mirror talk. Whenever you are having an interview, whenever you are feeling low, whenever you are thinking you're not worth it, stand in front of the mirror and praise yourself. There are so many things in us like you can praise. We are like a creature, we are the part of the universe, so universe has given a lot of good things to know about ourselves, and we know also, but sometimes we are forgetting. So mirror talk is very important, especially in the morning, to remind us what good you are having within you and what more you can do it. And the third important thing is like a reflecting exercise, and which I do it now also. End of the day, whatever work I have completed, I write down and I make myself proud. I have completed these are the works. It can be anything, because being as a mother, I have a household work also. I have to take care of my kids also. Same time, I have to take care of my business also. Same goes to you also, because we both are women. Okay, we all are sailing in the same boat. सो आपने कोई भी ऐसा अचीवमेंट आपको लग रहा है कि यू हैव डन इट, राइट इट डाउन, फील प्राउड कि आपने दिन भर में इतने एक्टिविटीज कंप्लीट की है, एंड दैट इज द रिफ्लेक्शन एक्सरसाइज विच इज रिक्वायर्ड. सो एंड ऑफ द डे व्हेन यू विल गो ऑन अ बेड, यू विल फील आपने कुछ तो प्रोडक्टिव काम किया. यू विल नॉट फील गिल्टी कि मैंने दिन भर कुछ नहीं किया, वेदर इट इज अ हाउस होल्ड वर्क, वेदर इट इज योर वर्क रिलेटेड, बट आपको ये करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. सो बाय डूइंग दीज 3 एक्टिविटीज, ओके, I know I have mentioned so many things like a meditations, affirmation. You can record your affirmation in my previous video, but you have a limited time. At least you can do this, okay? And I'll see the change. Now let's talk about the like a practical way to build your proof of work. So example which I gave you, उसमें मैंने बताया था कि how she created her portfolio. So what she did, she started working with a small company free of cost for her friend, and she started building whatever work she has created. She created her portfolio. So you can work with the NGO, you can work with a small company, and that way you can create a small portfolio for yourself. Second important thing, create your own project. So own project in a sense like you can go and check with the company what kind of a help they require. I might help you free of cost. Just let me know, I'll do it, and then give me the some testimonial appreciation. That way you can create your own project, creating your own document, creating a file, everything. Okay, that will help you to present at the time of the interview. What example I gave you of one of my candidates. Now third, like you can help into the communities, online communities. So many groups are available on the LinkedIn, Facebook. You can see what challenges they are having, what problems they are facing. You can connect and you can help them by giving a solution. And then in regards that, you can take the screenshot how you help them, and then tell them to provide the testimonial. So that will help me to find, present in front of the new employer. Now the fourth thing, like you can take the mini internship. Okay, so I somehow managed to place her as a part-timer in my one of my clients company. But you can also apply for the part-time job or a free internship for the 3 months, 2 months, so you can gain the practical experience, and that you can present for the new employer. Or you can take it as a project work also, like a how freelancer they work. And the last is like a build your portfolio on the Google Drive or any platform. Like a Notion is the one of the platform I normally recommend for the ladies, because you can keep all your data in that particular app. So you can save all the data there, and as and when it is required you can present. Because in computer, if you're saving, if immediately you wanted to showcase your work to the employer, Drive will help you. You can immediately share the link and they can see that. So these are the 5 practical ways, simple and suitable to everyone. You can do that. If you're finding some challenges like how to find the internship, what exactly, you can always connect with me and let's figure it out together, like what internship, where you what type of internship will help you. Now let's talk about like how you can create a portfolio. For example, if you're taking up the any project, so you need to write it into the Word document or a Google document or in the Notion also. You can keep it very simple, like what is the project name, what goal that company has given. If I wanted to take the example, like if company has given a project to digital marketing to improve the Instagram growth, especially for that particular cafe. So maybe what is the goal? Goal is like a improve the maximum reach, like a increase the engagement. Now to increase the engagement, goal is the second point. Now third point is like a which tool you are going to use to improve the engagement, particularly for that cafe on the Instagram. It can be like a Canva will be there, or you need the particular different tool or some Google Analytics you will require. So you will write down which tool you have used. Now fourth is like a before result and after result. So before you start this project, what was the result? Because you have to do the analysis, like where they are standing when you got the project, and after you deliver, how it is performing. So before and after, it's very important. The fifth is the reflection, like what you learn in this. Because whatever work we are doing, some other way, 1%, 2%, we always improve in our work. You must have seen like the videos which I was creating previously and now what I'm creating, there is a lot of difference because a lot of improvisation happens. So it is about the reflection. So what you are learning, you need to write it down every time, what are new things you have learned. And the sixth point is like a testimonial. Yes, if your client is happy, if the improvisation happened, don't forget to take the testimonial from your client that will represent, that will showcase like you are on the right track and to present to your new employer whenever you will apply for the job. So remember one thing, women like though you have taken the gap is not the end. It is always considered the new beginning. Now, how to do the new beginning? It's everything is in your hand. First, mental shift is important, and then whatever practical work you're doing will work out. If your mental shift is not there, you're still doubting about like how I can restart my career, why employer will consider me or not. Okay, all these questions you're having after working, after having all these practical experience also, just because of the emotionally you are completely drained out, that particular job opportunity will just go away. So first, what is the step? Mentally you keep yourself very strong, and you can do a lot of things you're also not aware. So guys, if you're liking such kind of a videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, and share with the women, share with people who have taken the break and they are thinking like a after the break, if employer is asking me like a what proof of work they have. So by watching this video, they can create a proof of work. And if you think like you're not able to do it alone and you need the accountable partner, you can always connect with me because I am coming up with the free webinar, and I'm going to share 3 special secrets how women can restart their career. And if you wanted to connect with me now also, then I am opening up my free one-on-one session that's called the Career Comeback Diagnostic Session. The link you will find into the description, and you can connect with me. You can fill that form, and then I'll give you the 30 minutes one-on-one free session to understand where things are not working. And we will walk together and we will have a sisterhood conversation, not the very professional conversation. So if you're interested, you can fill the form and I'll connect with you, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.